Shankaran. AI has always been amazing and amusing. Okay. Now, there are incidents that are really not incidents actually. There are news, okay, that are really amusing, okay, that has come up in the last few days. Okay. The first one that we are actually going to see is with respect to the McKinsey. So this on the register.com. Okay, there's a company called security research company called CodeWall. And CodeWall, okay, so I'll tell you something. Okay, most of the companies have got something called as a vulnerability disclosure, okay, policy. Okay, there are security companies, research companies that can come forward. You know, they can find the vulnerability and report it to the parent company so that they can help them to fix it. Now, the Code Wall is a security research company, so they have got their own AI agents that can do the penetration testing and report the incident. That's what, and based on this policy that the McKinsey has got, it was chosen by the AI agent to perform the vulnerability scan and report the bugs. Okay, so the penetration testing basically and give the report. Okay, now what has happened is within 2 hours, the penetration testing tool, okay, that the Code War has, okay, has gained the read write access to the McKinsey platform, okay, AI platform called the Lily. Now that I've got close to around 40,000 employees, okay, interacting with it, it was able to read write the documents, okay, access the PDFs and a lot of other things. Okay. Now, having said this, okay, I've always been speaking about offensive AI versus defensive AI. Gone out those days where the penetration testing is done by the human. Okay, now it's all going to be adopted by the AI agent. I'm not saying that AI agent will do a better job than the humans, but again, time to do something is extremely less. What will be taken by the penetration testers for weeks or months to do, okay, will happen within a day. Okay, 1 or 2 days with respect to the AI agents. Okay, so people are adopting to it, and again, there are a lot of things that look again. And in fact, I'm a very good fan of Bruce Rewiring the Democracy. If you read the book, okay, so they had the cybersecurity guru Bruce has given few advantages with respect to the AI and disadvantages or advantages where the human surpass the capability of the AI also. Okay, the AI cannot do the things better than the human for sure, but again, the time to perform certain things, okay, is far more superior. Okay, at the moment, okay, where the AGI and ASI, okay, are in the hypothetical situation. This is what currently we are on. We are on what 3rd of March 2026 at the moment. Okay. Now this is one of the news. The other one is okay. So there's a company called Data Talks Club. Okay. Now one of the company, okay, Alexei Gregorev, okay, he tried to use the agentic AI to coding agent to run the Terraform command to merge the site's infrastructure to save the cost. Again, so there's a dependency on AI agent and artificial intelligence to do something. Okay, there's a tool that automatically build and remove entire server environment. On this occasion, Gregor forgot to upload an important state file that tells Terraform what already exists. Without it, the cloud created a duplicate. Resources later, when the state file is uploaded, Cloud issued a destroy command. Cloud destroy command to remove what source an unwanted infrastructure. As a result, what disasters. All these things are fine. Now, the veritable question is, why did we not do the testing before we get onto the production? Before we got onto the production, normal IT service management to test something before we deploy on the production. If you have followed it, we could avoided this particular disastrous thing that has happened. Okay. Now we could have avoided being very popular on the news channels for an for an activity which we are not supposed to be. Okay. Now infamously, okay, we popularly call it as okay. Now what I'm saying, anything that needs to be done with respect to the AI or AI agents, okay, let's test it on the test environment before we get out to the production. Okay, so speed is good, okay, but speed thrills, but also kills is what I actually what I always read when I drive on the Indian highway. Okay. So the thrill is okay, but if it starts killing, okay, it is going to destroy the business. Now, what has happened in this case is 2.5 years of data has been lost. Okay, so always adopt to service management, even when you are going to adopt to artificial intelligence. And agentic AI is what I would recommend. This is Subramaniam Shankaran. So in the next video, we are going to have a look at how the lawyer, okay, defeated the application developers in coming up with the application. using the Wipe coding, okay, and also Amol AI. Thank you very much, and join me for more news, okay, on cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and data production. Cheers, and bye bye.